Hello guys and welcome. So in this video I will only be breaking what I see happening over the next couple of weeks in the market. So I'll be breaking down all the pairs available here, all the major pairs anyways. So firstly we have the Euro USD, and clearly you can see that Euro USD has been buying, but we still know the market doesn't just go up without pulling back. So basically I'm actually expecting this to start selling soon, though it will not be my first choice of a buy or a sell. Sorry, it will not be my first choice of a sell. I'll be explaining that shortly. Okay, I'm looking for something here. So this is what is possible actually, maybe a sell and then a pullback and then a continuation, but it won't be my pair of looking to sell, because if I'm doing anything on Euro USD right now, it will be looking for a buy. So even if I'm expecting a pullback, I probably will continue looking for a buy instead of a sell. Okay, so but this is the AUDUSD channel. So for AUDUSD, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a sell. Now clearly one of the reasons is because we're having CPI during the week, so basically that's a very important fundamentals to watch out for. In other videos I spoke about the importance of understanding fundamentals, and also I gave an overview of the fundamentals that are very important to watch out for, especially when you're trading AUDUSD or any pair, but mainly AUDUSD, and we covered the fundamentals for AUD and USD. But this is a general video, and this is just what I am seeing for the market right now. So basically I'm seeing right now that AUD really needs to pull back, right? I don't mean maybe pull back for a few pips. No, I'm actually thinking AUD is going to sell for a while, right? So again, so what I'm expecting is maybe a sell right to this part, and this is for the longer time frame, and we all know the market doesn't move in a day. This will probably take a couple of months, maybe to December or so. But again, you don't predict the markets, you only you guess, and there's always a 50% chance that you will be wrong. So you also want to have your risk management in check. But basically what I'm seeing for the coming few months is the US getting stronger. Now I don't know what needs to happen for this to be the case. I know Trump has been all over the place, and his tariff war is hurting the dollar. People are dumping it, but I think something is going to happen and it's going to bounce back. Okay, so back to, let's say, USD card. Now for USD card, same thing. I expect a buy to the upside. Again, every trade is 50%, and this is the daily time frame, so we can't really say my analysis are accurate until we see it after 6 months, because again this move will take probably 6 to 7 or maybe a year. I mean, you can see this high was formed in February, and right now we're in July, so that's more like almost 6 months. So you see, that's a lot of time, and if this fall happened in 6 months, well, I don't expect it to just go back in another 6 months. It might take longer, but again, I'm expecting the USD to pick up and go back to NZD USD, and I had some levels marked out, but I'm seeing it also moving to the downside now, meaning on all parts I see the US getting stronger, and my strategy just explained this. but you have to understand that trading is beyond just guessing what direction. It's more of waiting. Trading is a waiting game, so you can be on a trade, and of course you can be on daily trades or lower time frame, maybe 15 minutes, and you can get exhausted. I mean, trading can be very draining, and you don't want to be making decisions every 2 days or every 30 minutes. Okay, psychologically, you can only make two major decisions a day, so you want to at best make two decisions a day. And if you're always on the chart, that's really going to be bad for you, because you'll be making decisions every single hour, and in a day you only have two major decisions to make. Now that's psychologically. It's a study, so I can't say I'm an expert in psychology, but as a trader, I know for a fact that it's exhausting to jump on a buy and a sell, on a buy and a sell in a single day. You get burnt out. It will affect you. It will affect your relationships. It will affect your mental health. So you want to approach the market with clarity, but you also want to approach it with understanding and a level of edge. And the fundamentals are your edge, and we have the CPI coming this week. So basically, this is what I'm expecting. This is a general video. If you're joining me for the first time, you might want to stay, or you might not. But if you're serious about trading, then stay with me and let's see how far we can go. Alright, guys.